Welcome everybody, my name is Adam, also known as Swedish car guy. In my channel I do car reviews, car meets and other car meets. And right now we are at Fredrik's. I don't know if you're new to the channel, you might not know who that is, but he has built a green S13 earlier on, and now he's actually rebuilding it once again. So I will show you what's up. So enjoy. Here we have his old side skirts that, as you can see, is removed. Here he has done the front, and he has also new fenders on as well. And we are try-fitting everything right now, having a little bit fitment issues here, but it will be fine. So nice to be back here once again.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Nice.
Doing fine.
So, how come you started to rebuild your car once again?
I wanted to have a new look on it, and so I started looking at the internet if I found something good, and I found these skirts and these covers in carbon fiber.
Yeah.
And new side skirts and new rear bumper.
See if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it over there.
So yeah, that's it, and now we have to fit it if it's before we're gonna paint it.
So no Elmia?
No Elmia, no, not this year. Maybe next year. Maybe Valaka if we are ready.
Yeah, we can.
I hope so.
Yeah,
I hope so.
Yeah, I thumbs up on that.
Yeah, I hope we're ready to Valaka.
So do you have any tips to anyone that is watching that has an S chassis? Since we all know here, since Björn, the other guy here, also has an S chassis.
Yes,
correct.
And you had a S14, right?
Correct.
Yeah. And how do you say how to say it in English? How is the market for S chassis here in Sweden right now?
High.
Yeah, really high demand, right?
Really high demand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since it was a year since I was here last time, how have the prices been here in Sweden? Would you say?
It's hard to say, but if you look at Blocket, they lay around 120,000 or higher.
Yeah, so they have skyrocketed a lot.
Yeah, it depends on model and the model
and how it's done.
Yeah, and how it's done. So
with all the fitment and everything, the painting, sure.
Yeah.
Nice Liberty, then you're up against 180, 190.
Yeah.
It's insane. Quite insane. So it's always nice to meet fellow other S chassis enthusiasts as myself. And here are also some of your new parts, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
New exhaust, FX Performance, 3-inch. And race catalysator, and
So you are gonna make more power as well?
Around 5-6 horsepower more.
Okay, so okay, no, that's not so
but
much.
It's a better sound. It's a better sound.
Yeah.
And it's a more solid system.
Yeah, because it's quite rare to get those as well right now. Yeah.
I got it for 2,700.
That's a bargain.
Yeah. So I couldn't say no.
So, do you have any other suggestions to anyone that want to get into the S chassis here in Sweden or just around the world right now?
Go your own style and build what you like.
Yeah.
Don't care what others say. So just go. You're safe, and So
yeah, and I will just take around a picture around the car so everyone will watch it.
Yes.
Do you have anything else that you want to say?
No, I'm pretty good.
Yeah, how about you, Björn?
Good. Look around because there's a lot of engine swaps as well. To look for if you want to have a real GDM nugget or you want to have something else.
So what would you suggest, both of you? SR or 2J or RB, what would you suggest right now? Which is the best value right now, would you say?
Best value is probably
2J,
RB and 2J.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are still quite expensive though.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah,
But
okay.
a lot of those.
Yeah. So no LS swap.
Please no.
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 Please
Okay,
no.
we're voting LS swaps down.
Yes.
That's the best engine to get power, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we
Easy
don't want...
way with the M50, sure,
Yeah,
but
yeah. BMW.
No.
No, thank you.
Okay. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay, that's good.
Not this time.
Not this time. Okay. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And here's the rest of the car. I'll just showcase it. So this is what it looks right now, and hopefully it will look even better than before. I must say I love the color though.
Yeah.
I have always loved your color since I heard it.
Yeah.
Even before you were supposed to paint it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so good. And to all of you that are watching, what do you think about this color? Do you even know what color it is? Let me know in the comment section. And do you want to say anything to the people that are watching right now?
No, have a good day and enjoy the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I will say the same. I hope you're having a great time. The weather is finally getting better here once again in Sweden. Right now it's currently like 12 or 13 degrees and the sun is finally up. So no bad weather, hopefully. And I wish all of you a great Sunday. Take care. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to see more awesome content like this. And have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.
All these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.